Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock websites on school Chromebook 2025. So let's jump straight into it. Now there is something you can use to unblock any website or play any game on your school Chromebook. So what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, come up to your address bar at the top, and you want to type the following, which is apache.nightrider.net. So you want to spell it just like this, apache.nightrider.net, and then press enter, and then just go ahead and click OK on the pop-up that comes up. And this is what the website looks like. Now from here, what you can do is search for your URL using the search box here. So for example, we can do discord.com, and what it's going to do is open up the website inside this browser. So you can see we can access the website this way. It's basically a browser within a browser. So if you come up to the top, you can see we've got a plus button, so we can add and open additional websites. So for example, I could like youtube.com. So let's type that into here and then hit enter, and we're going to get onto YouTube as well. We can do this through no problem at all. Now, one thing that's really cool about this website as well, if we come back to the homepage, if you come up to the top right hand corner, you can see we've got some different icons. We've got games app tabs and settings. So if we go ahead and click onto games, this is going to take us to a page like this, and what we can do is go ahead and play any of these games. We can also use this search box at the top, for example, to search for different games like Roblox, for example. And we have also got this app section in the top right hand corner. So if we actually click on the list as well, you've got a variety of different apps we can access, for example, Discord, AmazonChess.com, Facebook, Messenger, Gmail, and so on and so forth. So that's how to unblock websites on school Chromebook in 2025. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.